Hey, what's up, Winklink Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Winklink. So, my friends, in this video, we look the current price, the price change occur in the Winklink. That what's going on in this time in the Winklink. Absolutely, this video is very important for all Wink holders. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Heaviest Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Anyways, first of all, we look the latest update, and after that we discuss that what will be the next move coming soon in a Winklink, my friends. So the latest update is 0.000532 USD dollar. On the other side, if you look the price change so in the Winklink, so the last 1 hour price change is negative. Last 1 day, last 1 week price change is positive, my friends. Only the last 1 hour price change is negative, my friends. My friends, in the start of June, the Winklink start a good jump, my friends. In the start of June, start a quick jump, my friends. Absolutely, I'm very happy to see this kind of jumps occur in the Winklink. And now people decide to sell. Last 1 hour price is negative, so people decide to sell. No, my friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you do this mistake, so you're in the loss, my friends. Don't do this mistake. The price is occur in the Winklink as positive 3.81%, and the highest price is 0.00578 USD dollar. That is the highest price of Winklink at this time in the market. Anyways, my friends, absolutely, I'm sure that Winklink will make you a millionaire if you hold for a long time, my friends. Now, the previous month change is also negative, but now from the start of June, Winklink start jumping, so I hope that they will continue this for a long time, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about your Winklink? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.